Hey everyone, it's Justin with Peterson Automotive Repair. Today we are going to be doing some prep work on the Ford Fusion here. I've never done body work before, so this is new to me. I watched a few videos, went to the store and got pretty much everything I need. Today's goal is to just do the hood, planning on getting it prepped for paint. So I'm just going to be sanding everything down, marking everything off, and we might even get into the primer today. But just kind of some of the things we're going to use today. I just went to Harbor Freight and Lowe's. I got a palm sander, got some 80 grit sanding discs. We got 220, 500, 1000, 1200. I got a couple of these. Got just this little sanding guide, hand sand. Got some angled sponges for the tight spot, 150 grit. You got my painter's tape. We also got paint cleaning rags, and then over here we got paint thinner. So we're gonna use this to clean some stuff, and then we also got some other stuff. I'll kind of cover what else we got once we get to that point. But right now we're just gonna focus on taping the car up here. We're just kind of gonna tape around everything, make sure that we don't have any overspray. Like I said, the hood is going to be a trial. Got to take these guys out. I'm not going to take any components out of the car. We're just going to be painting the outside, and we're also going to be using filler for any of these large dents here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so before we do anything, I went ahead and cleaned the car. Just used some soap and a sponge. That way this tape will stick to the car and we won't have any issues. Alright, so we are finished with the prep work, at least as far as kind of blocking everything off from the hood. Probably need to do a little more right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with sanding. I originally wanted to sand everything down to bare metal, but it was taking quite a bit of time. So I decided to do sand. I always saw the clear coat off, so I went ahead and did that, and then sanded some of the base paint layer off in some areas. And then any area that I found a dent, especially the major dents, I hit really hard, because I'm gonna go ahead and Bondo all these, throw some filler, throw some body filler in these. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get some of the paint thinner cleaner, pop it on here, and then go ahead and start putting the Bondo on. Alright, so we got the Bondo on. I've used way too much hardener and the stuff hardened, so I had to redo it. I just went ahead and put some over the spots. Tomorrow I'll go ahead and sand them down, double check the work, and redo it if needed, and then we're ready to go ahead and prime. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos or what I'm doing wrong, basically, go ahead and comment that down below, because again, this is my first time and I kind of wanted to try to see what I could get with just getting stuff at my local stores. So alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.